This is a short video about how to make charges for your invoices without displaying all the line items. So in front of us we have a fairly complicated quote with broken down line items. We might not want to share all this information on our invoice. If we did, we could just hit the create customer charges button, but in this case we don't want to do that. So the simplest thing to do is take the price, or possibly better to take it from there, go to the charges section, add a charge, type of charge, fixed price, description as quoted, and then just put in the amount including VAT. It will work that out. And as you can see here, we now have fixed price as quoted, so we just send off this invoice to the customer as we might do in any of the other options. And that's telling us how much the customer has to pay because we put a deposit in there already. If we wanted to, we can actually attach the quote to it as well, so that they do have a breakdown if they wanted, or however you've displayed it, but they just have the figures in here, and then we send the invoice, and that is the end of the video.